This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Monday.com, the desktop app version. So I'm right here on the main download page for Monday.com. You can find it right here. It's quite a long URL. I will put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you'll wind up on this page. You don't need to go searching or anything like that. So we've got two different versions. We've got the Mac version and the Windows version. Obviously, if you have Windows, you'll go for this version. If you have a Mac, you'll go for this version. I have a Mac, so I will click right here. And then we get this next page. So this is opened in the App Store for Mac. We will then click on this blue button right here, open App Store. Process will be very similar for the Windows version. I'll show you that in just a second. So for the Mac version, we will click now on this blue button that says Get, and that will download directly to your Mac, and then you can use the program from there and you'll find it in the apps. So let's go back. Let's go all the way back. Let's actually bounce out of here. Okay, so we are all the way back on this screen. So I'll show you the Windows version. We will click Desktop App for Windows. And that would immediately save. So there's no Apple App Store version or anything. That immediately saves to your downloads folder, depending on what browser you have. I have Google Chrome, so it will send to the downloads folder, but that will be the Windows installer and you can open it up from there. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Monday.com desktop app useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.